In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to issue a refund in QuickBooks Online. If you need to return money to a customer and want to make sure it's recorded properly in your books, QuickBooks Online makes the process fairly straightforward. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to fill out so the refund is documented correctly. Start by opening QuickBooks Online and going to your main dashboard. This is the starting point for creating new transactions, and it's where you'll access the refund tool. Once you're in QuickBooks, click on Create. This opens the menu where you can enter different types of transactions, such as invoices, sales receipts, and expenses. For this task, you'll be looking for the option specifically used to refund a customer. From that Create menu, click on Refund Receipt. This is the form QuickBooks uses when you need to pay a customer back and want the refund tied to the products or services involved. Using the correct form is important because it helps keep your sales records and customer history accurate. Next, choose the customer from the drop-down menu. Be sure to select the correct customer profile so the refund is linked to the right account. This is especially helpful if you need to review past transactions later or reconcile the refund with the original sale. After that, set the payment method to credit card. This tells QuickBooks how the refund is being issued and helps ensure the transaction is categorized properly. If your business processes customer payments by card, this step keeps the refund consistent with the original method. Now go to the refund from dropdown and select the account the money will come from. In other words, choose the bank or payment account that will fund the refund. This matters because QuickBooks will use that selection to track where the money is being drawn, which is important for accurate account balances and reconciliation. Then select the items or services being refunded. Fill in the quantities carefully so the refund amount matches what you intend to return to the customer. Take a moment here to double check the details before saving, especially if there are multiple items listed or partial quantities being refunded. Once everything looks correct, select Save and Close. That will record the refund and exit the form. And that's it. You've successfully issued a refund in QuickBooks Online. As a final tip, it's always a good idea to review the completed refund receipt afterward to confirm the customer, payment method, source account, and refunded items are all accurate.